Here I have Nubia Red Magic 6 Racing, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the camera family, select slow motion, then tap on the gear icon, and here you have record slow-mo video. Here you can select like FPS, and the higher the FPS, the slower slow motion will be. So like 100 or 240 is like not so slow motion. Like this one will be a little bit slower, this one will be like slow, like very slow, and this one is like extremely slow, like the slowest you have seen in your entire life. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.